Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark McCabe. Being the new employees here, you're going to be role models. People have all different forms of mental illness, and they're all at all different levels. Sometimes just telling them their name or saying hi to them if you don't know their name is just really, really important. And it's like, you know, we're not contagious, we're not criminal. You know, most of us are really, really kind people. The stigma in mental illness has changed a lot since I first got clean and sober. And I have 19 years clean and sober too, which is like really cool. Well, yeah, that's really cool. That's helped me a lot. Try to help the patient so they can have the control back in their hands. It's like we're all sitting around eating breakfast and I've got like food all over my face. Well, first of all, everybody can see my symptoms but me. And also you're in denial of the fact that even if someone tells you, hey, you got a little food on your face, if you're having symptoms of mental illness, you're in denial about it. And you're like, no, I don't. I'm not listening to you. You're wrong. If you have mental illness, you don't trust anybody, you know, because you're afraid. It's like getting beat up, you know. It's like the therapists are speaking one language and the patients are speaking the other language. And so it's like, to find a way to reach them, it's been repeated over and over that having someone say your name or remember your name is like, this one girl put it as, it's music to your ears having your name said. And that's very, very important. So I mean, just lead by example. Maybe even tell the patients, well, I take medication too, you know, I take it for this or that or whatever. Being honest and open and stuff. If you're willing to share with me, then it's easier for me to share with you. There's a lot of things that are available now that weren't available before. I was one of the first group of people to volunteer to work in the ICU as peer support specialists. And that was very fulfilling, and I think I touched a lot of people's lives too.